Many times I tried addition, many times I got it wrong. I got my places confused and put digits where they don't belong. Need to avoid these mistakes, add and subtract correctly. With accuracy at stake, space your numbers evenly, 'cause numbers, they belong in their place according to their value. Stop by lining up all of your ones, take a moment to review. Best to line numbers up vertically to keep track of them better. They belong, they belong, they belong together. I should also check my answer, make sure that it's reasonable. I'll have to try again if my answer's inconceivable. But if the answer makes sense, once I've double-checked my work, I can safely submit it without any disconcert. Those numbers, they belong in their place according to their value. Start by lining up all of your ones, take a moment to review. Best to line numbers up vertically to keep track of them better. They belong, they belong, they belong together. Read the problem carefully now. Make sure you know what to do. Word problems especially can be easy to misconstrue. We can't begin subtracting when we've been asked to add. Set yourself up for success, and later on you'll be glad. Those numbers, they belong in their place according to their value. Start by lining up all of your ones, take a moment to review. Best to line numbers up vertically to keep track of them better. They belong, they belong, they belong together.
Thanks for sticking around. We're gonna tackle a couple problems on the board with addition and subtraction, lining up our numbers according to... Sounds like Houston. Houston?
Howdy, just stopping in to eat some problems because I'm hungry.
Okay, well, whenever Houston's ready, Houston's just gonna jump in and tackle those problems on the board so that they can eat. Ready?
Ready?
All right, y'all, I'm so excited to get these problems done and get full and get out of here.
You're gonna take your time though, right,
Yeah.
Houston? Make sure that you're adding the right digits.
Plus 561. So 3 plus 5.
No.
That's 8. 7
Houston.
plus 6. That's 13.
Oh, we need to
and
regroup.
11 plus 1. That's 1. All right, all done. I'm ready to move on to the next one.
I'm sorry to say that's not even close. If you have different digits, you need the...
Well, I added all the numbers together.
Okay, do you really think that a number less than 40 and another number less than 600 would add up to a number over 8,000?
Well, I guess not.
Yeah, so you need to make sure that you have your places all set before you add.
Always making me do more work than I need to.
Right, but if you set yourself up and take that extra work ahead of time, you won't have to do it again. You can just do it once.
Okay.
So put what?
All right.
No, Houston, we need to line up our digits by their places.
Come on.
Yeah, so your 7 should be in the same place as your 1 because those are both in the 1's place. So put your 1 under your 7.
Okay, the 1's under the 7 because those are both in the 1's place.
Now put your 6 under the 3.
I guess it needs to be a 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then your 5 goes before that.
Okay.
Yep. Now you can add. Very good. Good job.
Yeah, all right.
So put that number up there next to your answer.
Okay, and now I'm ready to move
Well,
on.
except that you wrote a different number than what you got when you added them down there.
Well, so you told me do the problem right.
Yeah, you're still going to feel more full if you do it entirely correctly, which means...
But you know I can do it. And I know I can do it.
Yeah, but still, doing it correctly means putting the answer correctly in all spots. It'll make you feel better. You'll be full. Or a little bit more full anyway. I think we need to do that second problem too, because you're still pretty cranky.
Oh, all right. Well, I must be done because I feel a little bit better. Just a little bit.
I'm glad. Yeah, so let's take a look at the second problem.
Right. So
Let's
okay,
line them
so
up
I'll line
correctly.
them up, like you said.
Yep.
So
So
1 goes with the 8.
yep,
'Cause
they're both
in the ones
ones.
place.
They both go in the ones place.
And 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's 9.
Well, wait a minute. Why are you adding? What does the problem say to do?
And that's what I did with the last one.
Yeah, but what does the problem say to do?
Subtraction. Why are you trying to trick me like that?
I'm not trying to trick you. You've got to read the problem before you start doing it.
Right, I guess I'll do it again.
Yep. At least you don't have to copy all your numbers again. Just have to change your operation.
8 minus 1, that's 7.
Mhm.
7 minus 2, that's 5. 1 minus nothing, that's 1.
Good
So
job.
that's 157. Oh, thank you, Miss Annalisa. I feel so much better.
You're welcome.
Boy, you sure are right. When you put those numbers in their places, it makes it a whole lot easier to add. I'm sorry for talking back so much. I was awful sassy today.
You were a little bit sassy, but I'm glad you understand better now, and I'm glad that you feel more full.
Yeah, I'll be sure to use the way you said going forward. Just making sure. If I need to, I can put little lines here too. It looks like I didn't need to today, but sometimes when I get extra cranky, I might need to.
Yeah, the other thing you can do too is you can
Just
put
those
zeros
there and just
where you have blanks.
keep everything nice and organized.
Yeah, that helps some people too.
All right. Well, I know that I was rude, but I still got to get out of here. This is just gross.
That's okay. I'm happy to be back in my own body too.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, that's it for Houston and me. Thanks for joining us. Houston, you getting out of here?
Yep, gotta go on to other things. See y'all later though.
All right. Have a good one. And I hope all of you at home also have a great day and that you come back and join us again soon. Bye.
Please leave a like below, and please also feel free to subscribe if you would like to see more educational parodies with explanations in the future. Thanks!